Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing the audio because Apple Music files are protected. You cannot export them directly. Use a Mac or separate recorder to play the track and record its output at 44. 1 kHz for clarity. Once done, locate the recorded file and make a rough 30-second selection. That length keeps it compatible with iPhone ringtone rules. Make sure to label the file clearly so you can find it when converting. This initial capture is the only practical way to get a usable ringtone source. Next, you edit that captured clip to make it ringtone ready. Import into an editor like GarageBand or Audacity. Set exact start and stop points and apply a short fade in and fade out so it sounds professional. Normalize audio so your ringtone won't be too loud or too quiet. Then export as an AAC. M4A or WAV file. You'll need a clean digital file for the next step. Once exported, double-check the duration is 30 seconds or less, and save a backup copy. Finally, you convert and install the clip as a ringtone. On a Mac, change the exported file extension to M4R or import into Finder/iTunes and create a ringtone entry, then sync to your iPhone. Alternatively, open GarageBand on your iPhone, import the file, export as ringtone directly, and assign it. Once installed, go to Settings, Sounds, and Haptics to select it. If it doesn't appear, restart the phone. Confirm the clip is less or equal to 30 seconds and resync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.